Welcome back RK Learning Cat friends. Friends, we are learning Creo, and in this Creo we are learning part modeling. So let's start. So friends, last tutorial I have explained orientation tool, which is the repeat, zoom in, zoom out, and other pan and orbit. So we go again. We have orientation part 2. So here see saved orientation. Okay. So we have orientation means friends some standard. So if we want to back view, so you be back view. If we clear bottom view, so we can go bottom view, we can see bottom view. If we front, so this one can see front. If we select here left, so we can select left view. We can view right, so can right view, and this one top view. Okay. So if you want to go view normal, that is the isometric condition. And okay, suppose I select this face, okay, and I click view normal, so that is the normal coming. Okay, that is option available here. Okay, select this face and view normal. Select this one, reorient. Select this face and okay. Now here see default orientation. So this is default orientation. If we go here and we click here again, default orientation, this is coming. Now standard orientation. Standard orientation if you want to make, so saved orientation, okay. Now standard orientation, just click here. So this is the standard orientation, this is isometric. If you want to go previous view, just click this one. Again click this one. Again click this one, okay. Suppose I go here top view, okay. Now I want to go previous view, just click this one. Okay friends, same this option we can use from here. All option here available, so we can use the same option. Okay friends. So friends, I think you have understood how to change the view orientation. So we will meet next video. We will discuss another part of model display. So have a nice day.